Yo, what's up, Stocks 5150? Today is March 27th, and I am not gonna do any trading at the moment because I already made my 40 bucks and we sticking to it for right now because but I want to say something real quick. I was looking and we have dropped all the way down. Look at this. This is overnight. Let's go to the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour. You can see this. This is the DJT post right here on the 23rd, and we were here at this level, and then he posted and said that Iran was, which we all know that's not true now at the moment. At least Iran saying it's not true. So this is what the market's done over that time, back to those same levels. So it could be a continuation down. This is minus the post. So the post, and we retraced all of that, and we're back to where we started 4 days ago. Yeah. So this puts us at 20, 778 and pushing down. This is on the 4 hour. So if we go back and we look on the daily, so I put my level here. So that's where we are, right? We scroll across. That brings us back over here to August 20th. But if you look further back on August 30, oh wait, on August 31st, so July 31st. What date was this? August 1st. On August 1st, there was a gap up. You see the market was down and then boom, there was a gap up right there. But you see, this was this right here, this gap has never been filled. Between 23, what is that? 23,651 and you see it just popped back up and it went up to here and then it came there. So there's a gap right there that never been filled from here, which is where we are now, to 23,651. So I'm thinking maybe today we'll go down to 23,651. So write that on your calendar. Target 23,651 downside. I said it. And because that'll fill that gap. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. There. And we're gonna turn this to green. Yep, that's the gap. And so we zoom in a little bit and you can see it. And nothing's been traded in between that. Then if you go over here and you look at the ladder, you go down to 23,650. Seeing there's some orders right there. You see what I'm saying? 648. So it's some money waiting. Everything else is kind of thin in between there. 666. That's there, but everything else is kind of thin. So they'll probably shoot through that when the market opens, and that's where they go. 100-point drop. Yeah, I'm just looking at somebody and they said they short until 23,575. Yeah, yeah. Exactly. But I don't recommend jumping in. Just, you know, follow it. But be short for the day. I don't think I would be, the longs are not that strong. It's thin up at the top. When you're looking at it, it gets thinner up there. And it is an order 23,750. It's a huge order sitting down there too. So, see how it goes. Like I said, I got my 40 for today. And listen, the reason why I'm not gonna do anything heavy is because I'm working today. And that's where I get myself in trouble. I can always come back and make some more money, but when I do these YOLOs and stuff and I can't watch it, yeah, something happens and then I owe all the money. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta relax. If I'm not watching it, then I don't need to do nothing. All right. Stock 5150, yo. That's all I got today and I'm not gonna be on here all day. But we will say downside. Unless a post comes out and we recreate that. But I mean, at this point, I think the market is kind of hip to that. And I say that, but that's the human in me. The algorithm may not agree. Right now, oil is at 95. Not a bad price, but anytime it's over 90, the market starts going down. That's the correlation here lately with that, So keep an eye on that too, on your crude oil. All right, and everything else is red. Nvidia's at 171. Nvidia under 180 is kind of tough to be bullish. So keep that in mind too. Don't forget the basics. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I know we in a war right now. We got stuff going on, but yeah, yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, let's look at this. So this was all night underneath the 200 on everything, even on the 1 hour. We're underneath the 200. So this could be a pop, like I said, but I'm not doing anything but like I said, it's downside. But see, right now it's a pop going up, pulling up, but a little slight retracement maybe. I think it was what 50 something when I was talking. See, so here we go. This could be the pull up and then drop some more. You know, like boom, boom, like it did here, boom, and then drop. We're at 802 right now. So next level down, if we're looking at the ladder, like I said, it's the big lot coming in at 770 and 780. 780 is filling in and 770. So yeah, I wouldn't trust this to be honest with you. Watch, I'm gonna go short, do one, sell market, just do one. One right there. And we'll go down to 780. We're at 795. We'll get back out at 780. This is 761. Yeah, we'll do 760. 761. We'll get out right there. Put that order in for 761. 780 was that other lot that I was looking at, which is, 770. 770 was a huge order down below. Right here. And then down below further that, you got 750. So 750 is here. So I'm expecting it to come down to the 750 area. Right there, we got a huge one right here. Right there waiting. I'm at 761. That'll be over 30 points. 765 would be 30 points. Let's see how it plays out. I gotta work out right quick before I get ready to go to work. So I'm gonna mute the mic and I'll let this play out and we'll see what happens if we get a pop or we get a drop. Part of me is like I should just put it at 770, not be too greedy. All right, I readjusted because one, I got to get ready to go to work, and I don't want to be in this when I leave. Two, just trying to get $100 right quick, and the order lot that I'm looking at is down at 770. So I put my two in. I went and bought two contracts, sold that one, took that, so I'm at 77, and bought two contracts, and I have them split up at what is it, 773 and 772 respectively. Respectively, see, we'll come down here probably 770. See, that's the order building down there. You see what I'm saying? So catch it on the way down. Catch the move on the way down. That's what I'm looking for. Hopefully it happens before I leave. We'll see. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gents, happened just like that. Came down, pop, and drop. Now I'm finished. $100 on the day, 105. All before it's time to go to work and make some more money. Stocks 5150. Again, like I said, look out for 635 on the way down. And yeah, that's it. So stocks 5150, yo. I'm out. Peace.